Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Vlogmas day 16. Yes, 16. 16. 16. Good. I'm happy. So I woke up a little bit late this morning. Let me tell you now what time now. 9:57, and I woke up like probably about 9, and I just wash my hair because my hair use eco gel in my ear, because it just make it messy. I mean, I like when my hair messy. I love when my hair clean. Plus I want to braid it because I don't want to have no hair for deal with on Christmas Day. I need for just a work and not have nothing in my way. I don't know when I get a chance to do it, because you know the place full up. Like everybody want to do them here, so you have to set one appointment and da 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 da. We don't know the whole thing. Plus me not got no other hairdresser but the girl where I do my hair from the other day, cause me I tell you, she can do her thing. So me not know me go just wear it like this because me really not put not even oil in there. So I don't know how we are going on the road today, but not I just basically finish up stuff what we never get done yesterday. So we go to the supermarket and we go back at Clarendon and go collect something. So that's how we are gonna do today, and many if go market. I mean, if you go fish market, may have a couple more things left to do, but the best part about it is, guys, use up the notes in on the phone. I should think every phone have notes. The notepad thingy, use it up, because of that me I do right now. And as me do, me just stick off. Me just a stick off, and it'll help me so much. And me set reminder, right? My ear wet, guys. Sorry about that. I'm super excited for this Christmas because 2 years ago we never did settled with it all over the place. You know, things they just need to put together. It's not perfect, no, but we really try. You know, just to make it work, just to make our house feel like, you know, home from this Christmas going on. And I not like it's hard. It's hard to be an adult. I don't know if you can relate, but comment and let me know. I don't want to complain because it could have been worse. And that's why I understand why people hustle, because yo, to survive, another easiest thing ever. I really love and appreciate you guys, and we're going on the road together. So enough of the chatting, because I don't know why I wake up and feel emotional. I feel very emotional. Them stuff that ever happen to, no? Just wake up and emotional out of nowhere. Alright guys, so we're ready and I'm gonna leave out now. And Jason did that provoke me. Now it make me sweaty.
So me and Angel just go right up this. But me a challenge her. Me a tell her, say, me not to go make you do it long, you know. Me nah make you do it long, you know. But that's why you wait till no car not pass and you go barely touch the gas and you steer the wheel. So me a challenge you. She will coward here. Babe, when you reach for the straight, babe, I want straight this. Anything forward or straight.
It's smooth road, it's smooth.
Babe, you okay now? Mega. Just trust me. Stop, yo, hoi. Me not in any worry. Hold on, you tell me say when you go drive with me, I go wait till every car pass.
You know, me and Dad did that about that this morning.
Come.
Dad asked when I go do my driving lesson.
Alright, go ahead. I'm gonna tell you if you do. Baby, know your car there, that right, that left, yeah?
Yeah.
Take your time. Carry a little bit back left. Left.
Babe, take it from
More
me.
left.
No, take it from me. No.
Put that
Down
back.
on the way.
Weird.
Me have to step up my foot again.
Keep it steady. Keep
Right,
it
babe. Go right, let me see. Yeah. Yeah, see this word? Babe, what you asking about for?
Lose my touch.
Which touch? Oh! Say your man used to drive, girl. Move.
Oh, God.
Babe, so one little heap there, so we need you to go around that heap there.
So that means I'm going to just go right?
Yeah, go just go right.
Alright, ready.
More right, babe. You have to put more there. Yeah. Care about left now. Left.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Babe, take it one carrot, come, babe.
Baby, carry now in a full
Babe,
name.
just take it from me, no. Babe, just take it from Jesus. Bro.
Oh boy, you're cold. Mama, think me I make nothing to you?
Hello. Guys, look at this. Ooh, look good. Let me see how much tail they give me. Listen, if you give me pigtail and you're not having spinners, I not eat. So, we are national. We are Clarendon, by the way. I don't know if I tell you now, but we are national. For who live Maypen or come from Clarendon, no national, because to me it's reasonable. It's a reasonable. And at the supermarket, it's a wholesale, national self-serve wholesale. So we are Clarendon, so why would I go back in a Kingston, go a supermarket? So mega just because when I did live down here, I used to shop, so and it's reasonable. So mega just pick up the stuff them when I want for the day, and we just go home instead of going to Kingston, go shop, because they know up there so go full. Well, everywhere full now, but yeah. I buy up some of the stuff them when I'm gonna need tonight when I go home. That's gonna be for another vlog though. I'm gonna start to season my meat and do all of them good stuff there. So now we're gonna leave from here and head back home. But I'm just glad me get them out of the way. And for the longest while I did want one of them basin, the metal basin. I'ma just get one for a reasonable price. The lady have them, I sell them out reasonable. So I'ma just take up one of them. So I did always want one for wash my meat, you know. I grew up come see my mother use it wash her meat. So I want to use it wash my meat as well. That's so weird. I'm there for my mommy, guys. Mommy put me to me. Lord God, mommy, so me not let me come down here. How are this? I can sleep for about if I can sleep over here? Yeah. You want me to sleep 8 days? Yeah. Alright, man. When you want me to start? No. No? Alright, I'm going to sleep.
Does it know what's wrong? You look a class serum.
You understand?
Let me go attack you and you think I'm me.
What's wrong? Alright guys, so we are go home now. We just come collect something and I go leave. Good night. Yeah, but me have somebody when me normally come to. Alright. Alright. Oh, see me.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we reached home, thank God. Today was a super productive day. We got almost everything done. I just probably, what's we need? We need a couple more stuff, but nothing too major. So I got my fish right now. I have them in the sink because I go just clean them up. You know them scale it, but you have to get the second clean there and rinse it with some lime and vinegar. And me have everything if you got pack out. So I just want to end off my vlog right here so and start up Vlogmas day 17, babe. Tomorrow is 17. Yeah, and start off Vlogmas day 17 because after today the vlogs them because me kick off everything. So I'm glad me kind of have everything under control. So yeah, not gonna leave the house tomorrow. I need to get certain stuff done, but I'm gonna end off my vlog right now. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 50k. Bye guys.